The factories must be watching my videos because based on this next travel trailer walkthrough, I want to say, just like Matthew McConaughey, all right, all right, all right. Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. They call me the Honey Badger because I give it to you straight and transparent about the RV business. This is a 2024 Forest River RPOD Classic 180 West Coast Edition. It is one of my favorite 20 feet total length floor plans, and I'll show you why when we go inside. Now, I just want to mention something. I am so happy that they're getting back to the basics rather than forcing all these unnecessary options on the RPODs. It's one of the few decontented trailers that I think needed to be decontented. And you can let me know your opinion in the comments section if you know about the Beast Mode package. Okay, but until then, if this is the first time you've seen a video of mine, I take about 8 to 10 minutes to walk around the entire travel trailer, and there's no special editing or sound effects or weird special effects or special editing out of it. So it's just you and me talking, okay? So let's get started. First off, manual tongue jack that can be upgraded to a power tongue jack. One 5-gallon propane tank, and there's only room for one tank, not two. You have an area for two group of 24 12-volt batteries. And then we're going to come down here to the weight. This is very important, of course. Zoom in. The dry weight is 2,980 pounds, and the total length, that's bumper to bumper, is 20 feet even. So it fits in most people's driveways, not everyone's. The 171 fits in almost everybody's driveway. Okay, coming over here to the other weight sticker. The gross vehicle weight rating is 4,720 pounds with a 4,400 pound axle rating and 15.5-inch tires and rims. So if you have a 5,000 pound tow capacity, 4,500, 4,000, this is an option for you, okay? Now it has front stabilizers and rear stabilizers, 3/4 inch socket and a cordless to put those down. It does have a manual crank just in case. 6-gallon propane hot water heater, city water, fresh water. And you can tell by this vent, this is a propane electric refrigerator setup. Going around the other side, we're gonna go through the outside storage, which isn't a lot. It's pretty wide, but it's not very deep because obviously the hot water heater is on the other side, but that's pretty decent. It's set up for the Go Power briefcase solar for the trickle charge to keep your batteries up. And it also has a outside shower. Now this outside shower with the nozzle is only good for cold water, not hot. So it isn't the traditional plumbed one. You got a 9-foot power awning, which is now standard on these things. And then you have another small little cubby hole there. I guess they decided, you know what? Since we have the space, why not put a little area that can put a box in? If you couldn't tell, that was sarcasm. And you have your spare tire. Okay, going inside. Now to me, I like the traditional travel trailer. Most people are not gonna go severe off-roading. The Beast Mode package is an option, guys. It's not like you can't order one with the Beast Mode package, but it costs you money. And you have to think, how often are you really gonna go that kind of overland camping? Most people, like if you live in California, live in Nevada, Arizona, most of your lakes are going to be accessible without having to get independent suspension. Like if you go to the Eastern Sierra Nevada mountains, you go up to June Lake, Bishop, you up to like Lake Sabrina. Yeah, there's dirt roads, but you can go up those dirt roads with a Honda Civic. Okay, so by the way, queen size bed. You saw the overhead cabinets. You have your dinette set up that also turns into a bed. And they do give you a little cabinet underneath here to put some storage underneath the bed. And then you have outlets in the dinette as well as a breaker box and fuse panel. Propane electric refrigerator. with a little tiny freezer built in. My favorite fridge, even though this is getting phased out. And I am doing a video on this in February. I've just been slowly filming it. Pretty decent storage for your pans, bowls, and plates. I think you're gonna have to put pots and pans under the dinette, or like bigger pots and pans. They give you a 2-burner stove. I like the big round sink. You can wash lots of dishes in there. Big pots for like chili and pozole, tortilla soup. And then you have your convection microwave and another storage area that you can put those pots and access your plumbing. Now this is a weird thing. I don't know why they do this. They did this in 2023 as well. They put these USB ports right here. I don't know. I mean, what are you going to charge? I mean, I just feel like that's kind of a waste right there. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Like, what are you going to do? You're going to put your phone right here next to the sink? I mean, really? Common sense, guys. Jesus criminy. You got a nice big pantry in here that can be substituted for a closet. You got a closet rod and take out the shelves if you like. They give you a couple of drawers. So it's not bad storage for a teardrop type travel trailer. It's not the greatest because none of them are great, but it's pretty decent. You got an area for linens, sheets, blankets, towels. And you have the same thing over here. They give you a little net right here where you can put some more storage, and another area for more stuff, clothes, blankets, towels, etc. Don't really know what we need that for outside of just stuff like toothbrushes, toothpaste, shampoos, I guess. Now, I got to say this. The toilet, you guys make fun of me about this, and I understand why. But the toilet's in the right position. You don't feel like... I've sat on this toilet. Here, I'll even sit on this toilet. Kind of give you a little spin. So give you a little spin. One side, two side. You don't feel like you're in a sardine can. And I'm sorry, that's important. How many people sit on the toilet? Everybody sits on the toilet at some point in their life. So don't get it twisted. Okay, if you have any questions, you know you can contact me through the information I leave in the description box below, including my email, including all my social media pages, including the Facebook group if you want to join that. And then in the top right-hand corner of this video, you're going to see another really cool small travel trailer I filmed a couple years ago.